I built an example of a pump storage hydroelectric gravity battery that is storing excess solar power. On my sign, the top bar is lit by the solar system itself. The letters RC are lit by a micro hydroelectric turbine. The process starts with sun hitting my solar panels, generating electricity. That electricity is brought down to this pump that is in my lower water reservoir. When I have enough power, I'm pushing that up the small pipe to my upper water reservoir, and I have a shutoff at the top for when it's full, which would mean my battery's fully stored. When I need battery power, the large pipe brings water down, and it's large to reduce head friction, to a couple nozzles that are on my micro hydroelectric turbine. I have one of them turned off because I don't have enough load for it today. And that turbine spins, generating electricity, which is powering the letters RC on my sign. This is on display at Rosebud Continuum in Land O'Lakes, and I will be posting some more videos about this.